Hi, welcome down the flying field on a lovely sunny day. We've got with us today, it's a kit that was designed in the 80s, but it's remanufactured by NJR. And this is the Mirus. This is the Mirus 25. They do a Mirus 40 as well. There's not much difference in size between the two models. I was quite surprised to see. Originally this would have been run like with an IC engine. But they now do the kit so you can have it electric if you want, so that's the option I've gone for. So basically all it is elevator ailerons. It's got very thin wing profile. It's quite a funky looking plane really. It's a bit different to what you normally see. It should be quite quick. I'm running a 4S 2200, but there's plenty of room to put a bigger battery pack in for longer flights. The build is really straightforward. It's a foam veneered wing. You literally just join the two halves together, put the supply tape in to reinforce the joint. The fuselage is all really nicely laser cut, so that just all slots together and it builds up really square. Didn't really have any trouble constructing it. It's probably like one of the most sort of simplest kits you can do really. We've already given it a maiden flight at Weston Park, out of all places, so that was quite a cool place to fly it. And we've actually built a couple of these. So as you can see, these are going to be flown at shows for Rochester RC. There's a silver one as well, and they've also put together some nitro or IC ones. So hope you enjoy the test flight. One way.
You good?
Yeah, all good.
You in?
Okay to take off? Okay. Nice slow pass to the cameraman. Now speed run. Cool. So it's pretty quick. We can make it quicker, but it's fairly quick. I think I'm using 8x6 propeller on that. I'd have to double check to try a loop. Very good. I think you might enjoy this stuff.
You think?
Yeah, this is like kind of your era.
That's not a compliment, is it? What are you saying? I know it's my birthday at the weekend, but we won't say how many years old.
No, we're going for some inverted action now. So it's just good. It's got a flat bottom wing, but it feels pretty good inverted. Yeah. Look at that. That's fine. It's really smooth actually. This would be a really good sort of show plane, I think.
And a good first kit for somebody to build.
Oh yeah.
Laser fly and balsa kit. So, you know, if you've not tried building something and you've been in the ready to fly and ARTF market, then this might be a first thing for you to build.
Definitely. I'll tell you what I like about this kit. It reminds me back of my childhood. It's got a couple of old school building techniques in it. So the push rod is you use a bit of dowel and some threaded rod. I haven't had to do that for ages. Yeah, it's really smooth actually. I'm going to go for an outside lead. Oh yeah, easy. If anything, I pushed out early on that because I was a bit worried about it, but yeah, it didn't strike me at all. Right, another speed. I'll do a speed pass and then a really slow pass. Okay. Should we bring it in slow, see what it does? So into wind. It's actually got quite good stall things. It wobbles the wings, lets you know it's not very happy. That's not bad, but considering it's quite a heavy kit to be fair, but you wouldn't realise flying it. It's very stable actually on the turns. That looks right. Alright, I'm going to actually put it into, I'm going to force the stall out of it then. So this is full up elevator. It's just sinking, it's not dropping a wing,
no.
So that's good. Alright, the nose just dropped a bit, that was it. What I'll do then, I'm going to bring it in for a landing. And see whether I can do a nice one. Okay, to land. Nice.
Very nice.
I'm happy with that.
You should be.
Yeah, that was
one of your better landings, Trev.
Well, thanks. Yeah, and the propeller's in one piece, which is pretty cool.
It is on a with no clearance underneath. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's well pleased with that. I think we've got to get Dom on the sticks next. I think he's going to love that. It's very smooth. Hasn't really got any horrible sort of flying characteristics, which is nice. With like the really narrow wing, I thought it might be a bit, not like slow speeds, but it seemed fine. So,
all right, so this is a traditional Bull Supply kit.
Yeah.
Available from Rochester RC. It's the Mirus.
Yeah, originally designed in the 80s. So, yeah, love it.
Okay.
Thanks
mate.
watching.